Namaskar. Preeti Kitchen Appliances presents Food a Twist with Guesto Culinary and Hospitality Kitchenan. हांव श्रद्धा शेटये तुमचं सगळ्यांचं मनापासून स्वागत करता. Actually 100 किलोमिटर्साचेर आमची लँग्वेज आणि कल्चर चेंज जाता. 100 किलोमिटर्स साउथ गेली की कारवार आणि 100 किलोमिटर्स ईस्ट गेली की आमकां बेळगांव लागता. आमचे कल्चर आणि लँग्वेजीसा बरोबर आमचें जेवणूय ताच्या पेक्षा चेंज जाता. खूबदां अशें जाता की टीव्हीचेर एक बरी डीश पळयली की तीच डीश आमच्या तोंडाक सामकी रूच हाडटा. ह्याच खातीर आज आमच्या ह्या किचनान आमी आज तुमच्या खातीर 2 वेगळ्यो डिशीज घेवन आयला. त्यो 2 वेगळ्यो डिशीज खंयच्यो हें पळोवपाक मेळुया आज आमच्या शेफाक. हाय मारियांका.
Hi Shraddha, welcome back to our kitchen.
वेलकम बॅक टू अवर शो. सो मारियांका म्हाका सांग आज तूं आमकां 2 डिशीज खंयच्यो दाखयतलो?
So today we are going to do something different. It's going to be a little bit of continental as opposed to our normal dishes that we do on the show. It's going to be a mushroom and chicken quiche. It's sort of a pie. And the next
I was
dish,
about to ask you what is a quiche.
so it has a crust and a filling inside. And our next dish is going to be a grilled fish with a lemon and garlic sauce along with a salad to go with it.
Alright, sounds very tempting. Let's see your ingredients.
For our quiche, for the pie, we need maida, that is around 150 grams, butter 75 grams, okay, and a little bit of salt. Not too much because we are using salted butter. Okay. Now to this we do not add water because the butter itself combines the dough. But if you need to add a little water, you should add chilled water instead of normal room temperature water. Okay. Today we won't be using water, we'll be only using flour and butter. Okay. For the filling, this is minced chicken which I have marinated in oil, pepper and salt.
Marinated as in this is minced chicken where you put salt and oil to it.
Yes.
And
Pepper.
And you've kept it for how long?
Around half an hour. Okay. This is thyme for the flavor. Then we have around 25 grams of capsicum, green. You could add various colors also if you like. This is around 50 grams of onion, around 1 tablespoon of garlic, salt to taste. The cheese will be for the garnish. The fresh cream around 50 ml and 1 egg yolk will be for the filling. And this is mushrooms, around 50 grams because it's a mushroom and chicken quiche.
Okay, let's see your method.
So we're going to make our dough. So I put in the 150 grams of flour and to that I add the 75 grams of butter.
150 grams of flour and 75 grams of water. So it's 1:2. One butter is 75 grams. Okay.
Okay, so we grind it.
तुम्ही हांगा पळोवंक शकता की मारियांका प्रीती मिक्सर वापरता आणि मिक्सराचेर 2 इयर प्रॉडक्ट वॉरंटी आसा, 5 इयर्स मोटर वॉरंटी आसा आणि फ्री लायफ लॉंग सर्विस आसा.
So Shraddha, I've already made a dough and kept ready because once you make the dough, you need to rest it for around half an hour's time.
ओके. सो मारियांका हांगा पयलींच्यानूच आमकां एक डो रेडी करून दवरला कित्याक मारियांका म्हणटा की अरावंड हाफ एन आवर यू नीड टू रेस्ट द डो. रेस्ट म्हणजे एक करना फुडें एक अर्दवर ताका दवरपाचें सायडीन काडून.
So Shraddha, our dough is ready. So we leave it aside for a little while till we make our filling. Now for the filling, I'm going to use mince, capsicum, onions, garlic, fresh cream, egg, cheese and mushrooms. Okay, the thyme will just be for a little garnish.
Okay. Marianka, I wanted to know from where did you get this thyme from? Is it easily available in the market?
Yes, it is. You get it at any local supermarket. You get it in fresh form as well as dried form.
But this is fresh form. I've always seen a dry form, but I've never seen a fresh form. And how do you use it? Do you just scrape it off?
You just scrape it off like how you do for coriander or any other leafy vegetables generally.
Let's see.
So we'll heat our pan, okay, and we'll add a little bit of oil, around 10 ml or so.
And this is a regular oil?
Yeah, regular oil. Okay. First we are going to add the onions to it. Okay, we need to saute these onions till they are a little bit translucent. So I put around 1 teaspoon of garlic, just to add a little flavor to the dish. Once you start getting the smell of the garlic, you can add the capsicum too. So this is 25 grams of capsicum, which is finely chopped.
And we could go with yellow, red, any.
You could add any color that you like. Once all our 3 vegetables are sauteed, then we'll add in the mushrooms, because once we add in the mushrooms, we are going to have a lot of water that's left out from the mushrooms. Okay, and they'll shrink in size as well.
There's absolutely no water that we're using here. There's no water content.
Because once we add in the chicken as well, the chicken also will give out moisture. Okay, to this we'll add a little more oil, another 10 ml.
So we use the oil as required.
Now this is freshly minced chicken, which is available in the market. You also get frozen form, which you will have to defrost and use as per convenience.
Is it a particular part of the chicken, or it's just regular chicken, which is, or it's like a breast which you have?
As long as it's boneless, we can mince the chicken. This would take around 15 minutes to cook.
आज आम्ही हांगा वापरता प्रीती गॅस बर्नर आणि प्रीती गॅस बर्नर कम्स विथ 2 years of product warranty, 5 years of glass top and burner warranty, and again with free lifetime service.
Okay, as you can see, Shraddha, the chicken is getting cooked. Okay, in another 3 minutes we can put it off, around 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so that's done. Okay, we switch off the gas. Since I've added salt into the mixture, I'm not going to be adding salt, as according to taste we will see later. Okay, this is a tart mold. It's easily available. It comes with a removable plate, so you can just pop the tart up and it comes out from the. Okay, so that's ready.
And this is available in any bakery store.
Yeah, any bakery store. If you can see, Shraddha, the dough is very soft. It contains a lot of butter and really crumbly. Okay. So we take some flour. Okay. You don't need to roll it too much, just till it fits into the mold. It will start to crumble a bit because it's only butter and flour. Okay. You place it into the mold and you press it down. You could use a little bit of flour. Okay, Shraddha. Now we have to use the fresh cream. We are going to add around 50 ml of fresh cream and 1 egg yolk. As you can see, it's nice and thick. Okay, so it will set faster in the oven. Okay. So we take our filling and we put it into the
And as you've added salt for marination for the chicken, which is good enough, you don't add any salt or anything else. Okay.
because I've not added salt even in the pie dough, because I've used salted butter.
थँक्यू मारियान. दिस इज अ ब्युटिफूल प्रेझेंटेशन एज ऑलवेज. सो आतां आमची ही कीश अशी डीश रेडी आसा. कीश इज अ बेजिकली चिकन एग पाय मशरूम बी ताणें भरपूर घाला. हाचे वेरिएशनूय तुमी करूं शकता, एक वेजिटेरियन वेरिएशन, बट आय थिंक एग इज वॉट वी नीड टू यूज इन दिस डिश टू बायंड एवरीथींग टुगेदर. ऑलरायट. रोखडीच आतां हांव एक खावन पळयता. Mayanka has also made this small individual portions आणि ते म्हणटा की हे एपिटायझर अशें आमी यूज करूं शकता फॉर एनी पार्टी. Mayanka ही डिश खरीच सुंदर जाल्या. आणि एज यू सेड की you've already only put salt in the chicken and nowhere else actually, and I think it's perfectly made because the crust, the chicken and the cheese has enough salt in it. It's a beautiful dish. Thank you Mayanka. ही डिश खरीच सुंदर जाल्या आणि तुम्ही तुमच्या गेस्टांक ही एक स्टार्टर म्हणून प्रेझेंट करू शकता. वेन युअर गेस्ट कम्स एंड यू वॉन्ट टू ट्राय अ न्यू डिश. रोखडीच आतां आमी आमची दुसरी डिश तुमकां दाखयतली, पण तोपर्यंत तुम्ही एक ल्हानसो ब्रेक घेयात आनी रोखडीच परत येयात. ॲट प्रीती किचन अप्लायन्सेस प्रेझेंट्स फूड ए ट्विस्ट ॲट गेस्टो culinary and hospitality academy.
मीट मिस्टर शेखर मसालेदार खबर चखते चखते चटपटी चटनी पीसते हैं. मिस्टर शर्मा लाफ्टर योगा के साथ सब्जियां भी स्लाइस कर लेते हैं. मिसेस शर्मा सालसा प्रैक्टिस करते करते आटा गूंद लेती है. सिमरन फेसबुक पर चैट करते हुए फेस पैक पीसती है. क्रिश फुटबॉल खेलते खेलते जूस तैयार करता है. अब किचन में करो थोड़ा और. पेश है प्रीति ज़ोडिएक. चॉपिंग, स्लाइसिंग, ग्रेटिंग, नीडिंग और जूसिंग करने वाला मिक्सर ग्राइंडर. सोच रहे हो कि ये सब कैसे हो सकता है? ये प्रीति है, मेरी गारंटी.
Preeti Zodiac, not just a mixer grinder.
क्या कर रही हो?
चावल पीस रही हूँ.
Well, whose car is this?
Welcome, brother. When did you return from US?
Just yesterday. There's a car outside. Do you have any guest?
Yes, brother. Why don't we talk over lunch?
You've prepared a lot of varieties. They're so tasty. What's the occasion?
My son has come back.
Who were you talking about? That waste fella?
He's not a waste fellow anymore. He's an F&B manager in a star hotel abroad. He's taking care of his family as well.
How is that?
Hi, Uncle.
How is that possible?
Uncle, my mom has joined me in Gesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy. After finishing 3 years course, my life has changed.
I'm so happy for you.
This is only because of Gesto.
Creating finest leaders. Join Gesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy. For admissions, call 0832 2901 International certification. Bank loan available. Our branches: Hyderabad, Goa, Salem, Madurai.
We welcome you all to the world of Gesto. We as a hotel management institute, we are one of the pioneers in setting up hotel management academies in Goa, and we are the only institute having 2 centers at North Goa as well as South Goa. Every year we trained around 300 students at both our centers, and we ensure that they are given the best of training with our state-of-the-art infrastructure, and we ensure that they also are placed in the best of starred hotels in India and abroad. We also wish those aspirants who wish to take up hotel management as their career to come and join us. Welcome to the world of Gesto once again, as we help in creating world's finest leaders.
ब्रेक नंतर तुमचं सगळ्यांचं परत एकदा हांव स्वागत करता ॲट प्रीती किचन अप्लायन्सेस प्रेझेंट्स फूड ए ट्विस्ट ॲट गेस्टो culinary and hospitality किचनान. अदर आमी एक डिश पळयली विच इज कीश. कीश इज मोर लायक अ पाय. आतां पळोवन घेवया आमची नेक्स्ट डिश खंयची ती विथ मारियांका फर्नांडीस.
Okay, Shraddha, since we made a starter in the beginning, we made like a quiche which could be used as a starter. We'll be doing a main course. Okay, so this dish's name is grilled fish, which will be pan searing on a frying pan with lemon garlic sauce. and the accompaniment for that would be a apple pear salad with a ginger and lemon honey vinaigrette salad.
Okay, Marianka. So can you tell me what are the ingredients here for the dish?
Yeah, so first we'll be making the fish. So for the fish, today I'm using a red snapper. Okay. Now this red snapper I've marinated with a little bit of turmeric, around 1 tablespoon, a pinch of salt and oil. And lime, of course, because it's a lemon fish dish. Okay. We'll be adding lime into the sauce. We'll be adding fresh cream, garlic and a little bit, maybe a teaspoon of turmeric.
All right. Okay. Let's see your method.
So we wait for our pan to heat. Okay. What we are going to do is we are going to sear the fish. Now fish is the softest meat that we have basically. It cooks very fast.
Okay.
So it just needs to be around 2 to 3 minutes pan seared till we add the sauce to it.
And Marianka, you said that you marinated this fish. Do we need to refrigerate it like when you marinate or just leave it outside?
If you are going to cook it immediately, you could leave it outside, but if you are planning to keep it, because fish tends to smell, so I would suggest to keep it in the fridge.
So how long do we need to marinate this dish?
Fish doesn't need long to marinate, so prior to cooking you could do it maybe half an hour or 15 minutes in advance.
So we don't have to refrigerate if you are doing it for half an hour or okay.
Okay, so our pan is warm, so I'm going to put in the oil.
And we're using regular oil.
Regular oil. Okay, so our pan is hot now, so I'm just going to put my fish into the pan.
And we could go with any fish?
Any fish. Preferably the bone should be removed because the sauce will come over.
And is it required that we use like a fish which is less aromatic, I would say? But like, can we use mackerel? No, we cannot.
No, mackerel has a very
strong flavor. Yeah, that is what I was asking. So we could use kingfish.
Kingfish you could use. But then again, like I said, when you're eating it with a sauce, the bone tends to come in the way, so you would be obstructed to take out the bone and eat it. So. Okay, the reason I've put a little more oil is because we'll be using the same oil for the sauce. We'll be taking out the fish and using the same oil.
How long do we need to fry on one side?
Around 2 to 3 minutes, and then we flip it over. Because again, the fish that I've used is cut very finely, so it will cook much faster than a normal.
You could also do this with chicken, I think, no? If we cut the chicken very
thin. You could make it like a steak basically. You could do it with fish, you could do it with paneer. But the reason I'm using these flavors is because it will go well with the salad that we are making. Okay, so our fish is done. Again, Shraddha, if you are health conscious and you don't like too much of oil, you could probably bake the fish. Okay, or steam the fish.
Okay. Yeah. So for baking, how long we need to bake, or what was the alternate method? Like we would put a little bit of drizzle, a little bit of oil and put it in the oven?
Yeah, and preferably you could use olive oil when you're cooking it if you're health conscious.
जी खूप हेल्थ कॉन्शियस आसा तशें तांकां मारियांका म्हणटा की तुमी ते स्टीम किंवा बेक करूं शकता एंड विच इज अ व्हेरी हेल्दी ऑप्शन विच मारियांका इज टेलिंग अस हियर इन द किचन टुडे.
Okay, Shraddha, for our next step to make our sauce, I'm going to use the same pan because like I said, I'm going to use the oil in the pan itself because of the flavor of the fish again is coming to the oil. Since this is a lemon garlic sauce, I'll be using around 10 pods of garlic. So that would be around 2 tablespoons
of garlic.
Garlic, yes. Whenever we are cooking garlic, we know that it's ready with the smell of it. So the minute you start to get the smell, you could add your next ingredient to it. And another addition to cooking with this kind of a sauce is instead of using oil, you could use butter for more flavor.
For a richer flavor.
If you're going to serve it as an entire meal, so it's like filling because of the dairy products in it. We're starting to get the smell of the garlic. Okay.
Just when it starts softening, I think we start getting this aroma, right? Yeah.
So into this, I add around 50 ml of cream. This is again fresh cream. You can get it easily available in the market.
It's a dairy.
Dairy product. As you can see, it's already thickening because it's a thick sauce. It's supposed to be poured over the fish. To this, we are going to add a pinch of salt, not too much, and a teaspoon of turmeric.
So you're using turmeric for to take out the smell of the fish, or is it because you need the color?
We are using it as a natural color. Okay, because lemon sauce is generally this kind of a color, a nice yellowish color.
So it's a natural color that you will get when you...
Also, turmeric goes really well with fish. Turmeric is a good flavor for fish.
And when do we add the lemon to it?
Yeah, now
So
that
is it like while cooking, or will it split the cream?
the thing is, if it's hot and we add the lemon to it, it will curdle.
Yes.
So we have to wait for the sauce to cool. So our sauce is done.
Alright.
So I'm going to switch it off. Now again, all the ingredients I'm using in the salad are all fresh. Okay, so it's a very different kind of palate for us Goans, because we are used to eating tomatoes, onions in our normal green salad. Yes.
I see a lot of fruits here.
Yes.
That's apple and pear. And what are the rest of the ingredients?
This is lettuce.
Okay.
You could use any kind of lettuce.
Yes, I was about to ask you what lettuce is this, because you get a variety of lettuce in the market.
Correct. This is somewhat like an iceberg lettuce, what you would use for sandwiches. It is a variety of that. Okay. This is walnuts. I've roasted these walnuts and I've finely ground them. Okay. Again, there are many people who are allergic to walnuts, so you could use an additional like almonds or pistas.
Or peanuts maybe?
Yeah, peanuts is another very constant allergy that people have.
Okay.
So this will go into our salad, around 2 tablespoons of walnuts. Okay. And the rest of the ingredients I will be showing you will be for our dressing. Since our dressing is a honey ginger vinaigrette, I will be using honey, which is readily available in the market, synthetic vinegar. This is ginger that is grated, salt to taste, parsley.
Okay, this is not coriander.
No, this is parsley, chopped parsley.
Okay.
And pears, what I've done is, whenever you cut an apple, it tends to blacken. Same way with the pear. So I've drizzled lime on it, a little bit of lemon. So our salad is ready.
So आमचे fish ready आसा, ताचे sauce ready आसा, and ताचे side accompaniments ready आसा. So let's see how Maria plates this dish.
That's the salad. Okay, Shraddha, since the sauce has cooled, it's time to put in the lemon. So you would need half a lemon. Okay, not too much. So you just squeeze it in. I've already taken out the seeds. And just mix it about. You have it.
थँक यू
Your
मारियांका.
restaurant style fish.
सो मारियांकान आमकां हांगा आज एक डिश दाखयला जाचें नांव आसा पॅन सियर्ड फीश विथ लेमन क्रीम ड्रेसिंग आनी प्युअर ॲपल सॅलड विथ विनेग्रेट ड्रेसिंग अगेन. सो आतां हांव ही डीश मारियांकान जी केला, जी वेल प्रेझेंट केला, ती डीश हांव ट्राय करून पळयतां. वाव. Yes, what you said is rightly correct, Marianka. The salad adds so much of crunch flavor to the fish. I think it's one dish in whole.
Yes, correct.
Yeah?
That's right.
So this dish is very yummy. This has a very nice crunch. It has a very tangy flavor of vinaigrette, the lemon sauce. आणि खूप अशी सुंदर डिश मारियांकान आमकां आज ही तयार करपाक दाखयला. आय एम शुअर तुमी सगळ्यांनी ही रेसिपी नोट केल्या. आणि तुमकां समज ह्या गॅस्ट्रो कलिनरी एंड हॉस्पिटॅलिटी अकॅडमीन जॉयन जावपाचें आसा जाल्यार तांच्या एडमिशन्स ओपन आसा. तुमी तांच्या वेबसायटीचेर वचून तांची वेबसायट चॅक करूं शकता, तांकां कॉल करूं शकता आनी तुमचें एडमिशन हांगा बूक करूं शकता. आमच्यो दोनूय डिशीज आयच्यो खूब इनोवेटीव आशिल्ल्यो, ज्यो सगळ्या देशांनी, सगळ्या शहरांनी आनी सगळ्या घराघरांनी वेगळ्यो वेगळ्यो डिशीज जाता. तशीच ही एक वेगळी डिश एक दुसऱ्या देशांतली आसा, पण ती तुमी इजिली घरा कडेन करूं शकता. आनी अश्योच आमी तुमच्या खातीर इनोवेटीव बऱ्यांतल्यो बऱ्यो डिशीज ह्या किचनान घेवन येतली. तो पर्यंत तुमी पळयत रावात. प्रिती किचन अप्लायन्सेस प्रेझेंट्स फूड ए ट्विस्ट विथ गेस्टो कलिनरी अँड हॉस्पिटॅलिटी अकॅडमी.